Hi, dear friends. So, today I'm going to be talking about what's really going on inside of our Mother Earth and why are we going through so much of upgradation and what's the perspective, what's the objective, and give you a deeper sense of how can we actually upgrade ourselves. So, when you look at the whole evolution of Mother Earth and our lives on this planet, this particular event really is happening after 26,000 years of having lived life on our planet. And the invitation is for each one of us to upgrade our vibrations, upgrade our frequencies. In the year 2012, Mother Earth raised her vibrational frequencies and shifted the axis of her magnetic grid from 3.0 hertz to 12 hertz, which is a vast difference. And when I talk about this from the dimensional reality, it means Mother Earth has shifted her frequencies from the third dimension to the fifth dimension. Now, since we live inside the womb of Mother Earth, it's very, very mandatory for all of us human beings to resonate and be in alignment with the frequencies of Mother Earth. Because when there is a misalignment and there's a gap between the frequencies outside and the frequencies within us, we experience insomnia, we experience depression, we experience anxiety. And that's the reason why, when you look at right after 2012, the cases of depression increased, so much of anxiety started happening, because this was an invitation for each one of us to raise our frequencies to the next dimension. Now, when you talk about dimensions, dimensions is not a place somewhere. They're just levels of consciousness. So it's basically an upgradation of our software of who we are, of our behavior patterns, to match into the frequencies of the higher vibrations of Mother Earth. And from 2012 until 2019 was like a period where we were given a choice, and obviously it's not our fault because there was not much education happening on the subject. Although for me, in my life school program, I've been training people, and we've been talking about the fifth dimension since almost like 2006 2007, and I've been training people to ascend their energies or uplift their vibrations to higher levels of consciousness. So it's not really our fault. So till 2019, there was a transitional period of the third to the fourth dimension and then move on to the fifth dimension. But now 2020 is a mandate where we, each one of us, all of humanity, has to integrate into these new frequencies of Mother Earth. And it's like an emergency now. And as a result of which, a whole lot of souls who cannot align with the fact of letting go of the old stuff and forgiveness and letting go of behavior and changing behavior will choose to leave the planet, and obviously will choose to be rebirthed in the new dimension of the fifth dimension with new vibrations and a new DNA and a cleaner slate. And hence there is this mass deaths happening through this pandemic, and a whole lot of people will lose their jobs. Now, why is that happening? Does the planet want us to suffer? No, that's not the truth. They will lose their jobs because this dimension, the fifth dimension, has certain thumb rule principles and certain ground realities which is very normal and natural to function. The first thumb rule principle is it's a dimension of integrity and authenticity. So that means people who are in jobs which are not really aligned to their purpose and which are not authentic to their own soul, which they feel they've just gotten into because of survival needs, or they've gotten into just because their parents forced them to do it, they will have to leave and find a meaningful life of purpose. The fifth dimension is a dimension of purpose. The fifth dimension is not a dimension of survival or fear. It is a dimension of abundance. Time is not going to be a construct any longer. So there's a lot of fluidity. And when you understand time, time is a very fixed three-dimensional structure, which is an illusion. So in the fifth dimension is a very multi-dimensional reality where time and space are very malleable, very much in the flow. So you will feel like time is just running by. People will start questioning their spirituality. Now, what is this essence of spirituality that we talk about? So when you understand the human being by design, 99.999999% of you is non-physical, is empty space. So all the drama that we are doing, all the reality that we are living is just for that 0.0000001%. That's who you are, your physical reality. And the rest of the 99.999999% is your non-physical spiritual aspect. And you've never, ever, ever got down to understanding that non-physical reality of yours. This is the time, my dear friends, because I want you to know that your spiritual reality, your non-physical reality, your spirit is managing all of it that shows up in your physical world. So the non-physical world, which is 70 to 80%, is managing the material world or the physical world, which you see as real, as a third dimensional world. So it's very important for us to have access and a deep understanding of the multi-dimensional non-physical world to manifest and create abundance in the physical world. So businesses will be restructured because, like I said, this is a dimension of oneness. It's a dimension of the heart and not the lower chakras. It is not coming from a space of fear and survival. It's coming from a space of knowingness, faith, and abundance, this new dimension. And another very important thing to understand about the fifth dimension, if you want to really exist in harmony and in peace, is that you got to align your whole self with the new vibrations of Mother Earth, and you got to understand that this dimension is a dimension wherein you will only coexist with harmony, oneness, and a 50-50 energy where all human beings will be one. It's very, very, very important for us to integrate ourselves and understand that the fifth dimensional frequencies are frequencies where there's no form and structure. When you understand the third dimensional world, it's a limited matrix. It's 3 dimensions. It's a fixed, limited matrix, a finite box. So in that dimension, what happened in the third dimension was your karma was driving your reality, right? So every choice that you made in the past was creating your current now or your future. Now in this, your transitional phase, the suffering that we are calling right now, is actually all of your karmic slate. No matter how many lifetimes you've lived from the past 26,000 years, is being cleaned now, and you're being given an opportunity to look at all of the negative karmic debris that you've created, to clean it up, so that with the clean slate you can move into the fifth dimensional reality. And once you've stepped up there, no longer karma is going to drive your reality. Your past cannot define your future or your current now. It is the now moment, the choices that you make, the being, the vibration that you vibrate at will create. So this is a dimension of vibration and creation. It's a dimension where ask and receive is just so possible. It is just a dimension where you desire for something and it will show up if you've managed to do the self-work. It is a dimension of kindness, love, and compassion, and embracing the spirit within you. So, my dear gorgeous friends, this is the time, and it's a mandate now. Go within, clean your soul, understand that whatever is happening for the best. And 2022 is going to be the stepping up of a new age called the Golden Age or the Satyug. And I want you, each one of you, to understand, embrace the truth. The reason why we don't have to feel sorry about death, because you must understand that if your existence or your reality is only 0.0000001%, you don't die. There's no phenomenon of death in the soul's realm. We are constantly alive because energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So you are an eternal being who's come here to experience a physical reality in this body and this form and structure with your 5 senses. And it's time now for you to become multi-dimensional in a 3-dimensional world. That is the invitation, my dear friends. And the joy and the beauty of stepping up to the 5th dimension is going to be so amazing and phenomenal. To be embracing integrity, authenticity, self-love, kindness, spiritual compassion, where you look at every human being as an aspect of the spirit or a piece of God. And you know what? When somebody makes a mistake in this dimension, you don't judge them, you don't blame them, but you look at them from an eyes of compassion and you just smile at yourself and say to yourself, here is another piece of God who doesn't even know what they are doing. That is what exactly I mean by the fifth dimensional reality. So, my gorgeous friends, get ready to embrace the Satyug, the new age, which is called the Golden Age. And we here at Golden Age Transformation are committed to taking you up and ascending you to the new dimensional energies of to match your frequencies with the frequencies of Mother Earth. So let's all welcome the new age, the Golden Age, with new ways of being, new tools, techniques, and new behaviors, and embrace spiritual compassion, patience, compassionate action as our new behavior. And I want you to understand there's great love for you on this planet. And there's great support from the non-physical realms, from the angelic realms and the ascended masters and your gurus. They're all watching over you through these tough times to help you pass through this whole wobbly energies, because you have to go through the darkness of your soul if you want to reach the light of the fifth dimension. So it's only a transitional phase. It soon shall end. There will be light in the end of the tunnel.